How to make a shy guy like you. Many women do not know how to seduce a shy man, and they are disturbed not knowing exactly what to do. So in this entry, I want to share certain tricks that will come very well to conquer him. The first thing you should do is to let him feel comfortable with you, without pressure or discomfort. He will show his personality little by little for you to be able to attract him. Unfortunately, many women have been accustomed to being the man who takes the initiative. But it really is a somewhat old way of thinking. In the 21st century, every woman should be capable enough to take the initiative on the issues that interest her. You will necessarily have to take the first step, so if you expected the opposite, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Yes, do it calmly and always waiting for the right moment to act intelligently. Neither should you let him feel inferior to you. 1. Accidental or casual approach. You must keep in mind that to get a boy to speak to you, and even more so if he is shy, you must treat him normally. So try to make contact in some casual way, on some subject that is not very personal. Use your imagination, it can be about the weather, work, a teacher, whatever. You must be nice in this first contact. Getting close is one of the steps that can cost you most at the beginning, but once you do, you'll see that it's nothing special. 2. Invite him to your social networks. Once you have made the first successful contact, you can invite him to connect with your social networks. It will not intimidate him too much, and so he can take the time to give you an answer, without rush. 3. Making contact a few times a week. Once you've broken the initial ice, either with the first contact, or because he has already added you to his social networks, it's a good time to let himself be seen as he really is. After you have achieved to gain his confidence by touching casual subjects, you will be able to start talking about a little more personal topics, such as his hobbies, vacations, life plans, trips, music, etc. 4. Analyze his feelings. If you want to please a man, you must get closer to the most personal and intimate of him. If you manage to successfully complete the previous point, it is time to ask him what he is looking for in a person. And you should start giving him clues that you are looking for someone like him. Do not tell him directly, but give it to understand. 5. Subtle physical contact. Never ask if he likes to be touched or not, do it at once and watch his reaction. With a pat on the shoulder is enough, nor do I tell you to take him by the hand. If he does not like it, then do not do it anymore. If you notice that it does not bother him, or that he even likes it, do it more often. 6. Offer to go out together. This proposal should be made when you are alone, and in an environment that you know he is comfortable with. You should not push him, so you should avoid tense environments for him. You want him to tell you yes because he really wants it and not because of pressure, or because he does not want to look bad. Shy boys do not usually like to go to places with excessive people. So you can provide him with a movie in your house, or go eat somewhere not very busy. 7. Increase his ego to get to flirt with him. Everyone has their ego, so you should look for ways to increase his self-esteem. Make him feel very comfortable and confident when he is by your side. You can try flirting subtly if you see that he feels uncomfortable, make a joke to break the ice. Let him help you with something, play dumb even if you already know how to do it. The idea is that he feels useful to you. If you want to inspire love in a man, you must attend to his primary instincts, let him protect you and help you. 8. Keep interest in him. Find out what he likes to do, his hobbies, and share those common interests you have with him. If you do not share anything, do not pretend, just ask him open questions about what he likes, so in any case, you will show respect for his interests, something key in any relationship. If you apply all the tips correctly, little by little you will get his love and esteem and you will have a good man by your side. To learn more about how to make a shy guy like you, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.